there's the constant argument of why is gold performing well. Gold short term tends to have these bursts when there's geopolitical risks, threat of war. You see that time and time again. But the longer term trend for gold, is it fair to say that stagflation is sort of the ideal kind of environment for it?
Gold has outperformed stocks the last 25 years. And it's returned since we came off the gold standard in 1971, which is when it basically became free floating, is almost the same as global equities. I think it's about 0.5% a year behind global equities since 1971. And if you kind of zoom out a little bit and you look at when did in the last 50, 54 years, did it do well? When did it do poorly? In the 1970s, it did really well. In the 2000s, it was up double digits. So far this decade, in the 2020s, it's up double digits. The other decades, it was terrible. In the 80s and 90s, it was negative. In the 2010s, I think it was about 3% a year. So it's like boom or bust. And what's interesting is those boom and bust periods are the opposite of equities. So equities did poorly when gold did its best, and gold did its worst when equities did its best. And over 54 years, it's about zero correlation. So I think regardless of what you view, what the future is going to look like, and whether you think stagflation will transpire or not, it's a very good diversifier to equities.